Hello Tezos community. Sometimes you need to reset your browser cache to get the correct data to display in the Temple wallet. In this tutorial, we will show you how to clear the cache for the Temple extension in Google Chrome. Click the robo icon and turn on Maximize View. Right-click and choose Inspect. Visit the Application tab. Select Storage and click Clear Site Data. Close this window and refresh the page. That's all. You have cleaned your browser cache. Note that the same guidelines apply to Firefox and Microsoft Edge browsers.